Got a leaky faucet? Let's fix that in no time. First up, got a clogged drain? Grab some baking soda and vinegar, pour them down the drain, wait 10 minutes, then flush with hot water. Boom. Goodbye clog. Next trick, dripping faucet? Tighten the screw under the handle. If that doesn't work, replace the washer. Simple and effective. Got low water pressure? Check your aerator, unscrew it, soak it in vinegar, and scrub away the gunk. Easy fix for a strong flow. Last tip, running toilet driving you nuts? Jiggle the handle. If that fails, inspect the flapper. A worn-out flapper is an easy swap. Remember, a little knowledge goes a long way. Keep your tools handy and keep calm. Happy plumbing. Like and subscribe for more DIY tips. Catch you in the next one.